We will basically be discussing the regulatory framework which has been prescribed by the Reserve Bank of India in relation to export and import of goods and services. So the presentation is divided into four parts. In the first part, we will discuss certain key concepts and compliances in relation to export transactions. In the second part, we will again discuss certain important compliances for import transactions in India. We will then move on to merchanting trade, and lastly, we will discuss certain compliances which are common for both export as well as import transactions. And we will also do a case study at the end.